Hey everyone! Welcome back to Money Academy. I'm so excited you're here because today we're diving into a game-changing topic. 7 AI tools that can help you make money online in 2025. Whether you're looking to kickstart a side hustle, grow an existing business, or simply work smarter, these tools are designed to save you time and supercharge your productivity. In this fast-paced digital world, staying ahead means embracing the right technology. And I've got you covered with tools that will help you earn and grow. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to remember these. Let's jump right in. Tool 1, Jasper AI. Our first tool is none other than Jasper AI. Imagine having a personal assistant for all your writing needs. Jasper is an AI-powered writing tool that helps you create high-quality content in minutes. From blog posts and social media updates to marketing copy, Jasper can handle it all. It's like having a professional copywriter on call 24/7. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients or a small business owner trying to streamline your content creation, Jasper makes it easy. And here's the kicker. Plans start as low as $24 a month, making it an affordable investment for anyone serious about their online business. Trust me, with Jasper, you'll never run out of words. Tool 2, Canva with Magic Write. Next on our list is Canva, a favorite for anyone who loves creating stunning visuals. But did you know Canva now comes with a feature called Magic Write? This AI tool takes your design game to the next level by helping you generate ideas and create layouts tailored to your content. Whether you're working on social media posts, presentations, or even marketing campaigns, Magic Write ensures your designs are both professional and eye-catching. Great visuals don't just grab attention. They sell products, tell stories, and build brands. And here's the kicker. Canva's free version is already powerful, but upgrading to the Pro plan unlocks a treasure trove of features to make your designs unforgettable. Tool 3, ChatGPT for customer service. Tool number 3 is ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse isn't just for creating content, it's a game changer for customer service. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can answer customer inquiries 24/7. ChatGPT can handle FAQs, troubleshoot problems, and even make product recommendations, all while providing a seamless user experience. For online businesses, excellent customer service translates to happier customers and higher sales. By integrating ChatGPT into your website or e-commerce platform, you can save time, reduce workload, and keep your customers coming back for more. Tool 4, DALL-E. Let's talk creativity with DALL-E. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs custom visuals but doesn't have access to an artist or designer. DALL-E uses AI to generate images from text prompts, allowing you to create unique artwork, product images, or even marketing visuals with just a few clicks. You can use these images to enhance your brand's identity or even sell them on platforms like Etsy. Imagine creating one-of-a-kind digital art that stands out in a crowded market. DALL-E makes it possible. Tool 5, WriteSonic. Our fifth tool is WriteSonic, another brilliant AI writing assistant. While Jasper focuses on broader content creation, WriteSonic specializes in crafting high-conversion copy for ads, landing pages, and even email campaigns. If you're a marketer looking to boost engagement or a business owner wanting to drive sales, WriteSonic can help you create content that speaks directly to your audience. Plus, with a free trial available, it's easy to test out and see the results for yourself. Tool 6, Lattice. Managing a team can be challenging, especially if you're working remotely. That's where Lattice comes in. Lattice is an AI-powered tool designed to improve team collaboration, track performance, and set clear goals. By ensuring everyone is aligned and working efficiently, Lattice helps you maximize productivity and, ultimately, profits. Whether you're managing a small team of freelancers or a growing business, Lattice keeps everything running smoothly. Tool 7, Pictory AI. And finally, we have Pictory AI. If you've ever wanted to create professional videos without spending hours editing, this tool is for you. Pictory takes long-form content like articles or scripts and turns it into engaging videos with minimal effort. Whether you're creating promotional content, YouTube videos, or social media clips, Pictory makes it easy to produce high-quality visuals. Video content is one of the most effective ways to capture attention and drive sales, And with Pictory, you don't need advanced editing skills to get started. So there you have it. 7 powerful AI tools to help you make money online in 2025. Each of these tools is designed to save time, boost productivity, and enhance your business. From creating content to managing teams and improving customer service, these AI solutions are your ticket to staying ahead in the digital world. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.